Hi there guys, welcome to Anthony Allen Edits. My name is Anthony Allen. This YouTube channel is normally all about video editing, video production and things surrounding that subject, which can include YouTube, and obviously you found me here on YouTube. So what's today's video all about? Obviously I teach you guys how to video edit, but I also like to talk about anything surrounding video production, video editing, post-production and pre-production. And here, that was a bit of a mouthful, and here in this video I'm going to talk about whether, not whether, we're going to talk about we're going to talk about what to do if you have a gaming YouTube channel and you want to make it a career. I'm going to tell you with the problems that you may face when trying to do this. So let's run into it. I think I'll make this one a short one, but obviously there's a lot of knowledge swirling around in my head surrounding this subject professionally that can actually benefit those of you who have gaming channels. And also don't forget guys that around early June, I have something for those of you who want to start a career here on YouTube recording your gaming footage. I have something that will help you guys, and that's the reason to hit the subscribe button and watch more videos and stay tuned, because I've got something that will absolutely help you kickstart your career here on YouTube if you want to record gaming footage or have a YouTube channel about games that obviously you want to make a living with. So one of the huge problems that you face when you have when you're aiming at a gaming niche here on YouTube and you want to make a career on YouTube is that it's so popular that you have to stand out, otherwise you're just literally gonna fade to the back. At one point when I was going through a stage, I decided to touch upon gaming content. And what I quickly began to realise is that if you're creating the same sort of content that everybody else is, you're just going to drown yourself out. So Fortnite videos is a huge niche right about now. You can get a lot of views surrounding Fortnite. And obviously my YouTube channel at the moment, at the time of me recording this, is quite new. I'm still building my glossary of content. So what did I realise when I attempted to create gaming videos, especially with Fortnite as well, a game that's very popular, is that basically if you're doing exactly the same thing as everybody else, you're drowning yourself out. You're losing out on that algorithm. That algorithm is already going to be taken up by the PewDiePies, the Markipliers and all the huge YouTubers from around the whole globe. So instead of just aiming against a smaller community and niche that could be within gaming, people are aiming at the huge communities and niches, which makes you compete with all the millions of other people uploading gaming content with the game that you're recording by the minute. So every minute and every hour and every day there is a Fortnite video uploaded by somebody else, which means that you will have to compete with all those other people around the globe. And that is one of the biggest problems with trying to start a career on YouTube but aiming at the gaming niche, is that if you're aiming at a popular game, which is everybody's pool, everybody wants to use the most popular games. You want to use the Call of Duty, you want to use the Fortnite, you want to use Batman Arkham Asylum, which I haven't seen a video for a while, so that might be something that you want to aim at the very popular games, because those are the games that you are playing on your console or your gaming PC. And unfortunately, when you're doing that and you're creating that content, what you want to do is you want to stand out. You want to be completely different. You want to do something within that game. If you can't help using those games, you want to do something within that game that provides value to your viewers, which is completely different to what everybody else is doing. That is the only way you can make a strong career, unless you're already a huge YouTuber within the gaming industry. So you got to think of it more as like an industry aim, like a job hunt, like a job search. When you're creating a video, you imagine it's sort of like putting your CV out there to your audience. Yeah, a really mundane way to look at it, man. Like a really dry, mundane way to look at it, like, because it's the most boring activity ever. Like, but if you think about it that way, you'll start thinking of it in a job way. Even though it is a really fun job, obviously YouTube is always going to be really fun. That's what makes it so appealing to everybody. because it's so fun. But it's also the second largest search engine on the internet, and there's a lot of power behind that, and there's a lot of opportunity there, and there's a lot of things that you could be taking advantage of to earn a living and also provide value to your viewers. I mean, that's like a win-win situation, guys. If you haven't watched my video on why you should use video in places where other people aren't, or about subjects that other people aren't, then look through my YouTube vlogs, because I upload daily vlogs, and you might be able to find that video and you'll get some more value from that as well. So there you have it, guys. This is a little bit of knowledge on the problems when trying to start a gaming YouTube channel or a gaming career. That's my quick hit 1-2 knowledge there, and something that should be able to help you decide on which direction you're going to go on YouTube, especially if you're trying to start a gaming career here on YouTube. So there you have it, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are, wanting to see more videos from me and more videos like this, or maybe you want to learn how to video edit, because I also am a professional video editor. If you want to learn how to video edit, I have a playlist solely about video editing, and that is the main niche of my channel, teaching you guys how to video edit. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, guys. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to hear more, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching. I upload daily vlogs as well like this, so you can expect me here again tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.